Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic earphones with the model number RP-BTS55 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with these earphones not connecting to your device or not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, any issues like that where they're not working can very often be fixed with this hard reset. Now, you might also want to do this if you just want to set these earphones up as a new set of earphones, get them wiped off all your devices, all your pairing history, everything like that. All we need to do is make sure we have sufficient charge to the earphones before we do this, and then we're just going to press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the earphones enter their pairing mode, their Bluetooth search mode, where they'll search for devices to connect with. Once they've done that, then we can press and hold the plus and minus buttons on here for about 6 seconds. And you'll know it's worked because once the reset happens, the LED indicator light will blink quickly blue several times, and then it will restore to its factory defaults. You can go on and whatever devices you had it paired with in the past and delete them off of there, and then repair these earphones as a new set of earphones.